Kaseng kisamla pule ka Khasi Students Union menta kasitrik unailar arjar pusau kala pelong de jingki dagba syong kalan mungor hak office rekam ke Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC kebadan hala shumer kum kadak wan peni ke jingbom hun ya ke jubab ke commission ya ke jingdawa kaseng lingba ke employment monitoring cell ke balabu ya ke jingdawa man pensyai halor ke thungkam thungjam hakane ke singi kaseng kala thang bataru sisendan ke city hakmat ko office rekam ko commission mat pen I ke jing bom hun kat ba ke jing ki chong kalan mungor kadang beteng nalor kata ka Khasi Students Union kala kenoru ba kene ke jingle jong commission ka day ka bom hok bat ka kam thok kam syukor ka balayalam bakala ya upaj ba
Ya ho! Ngei dawa! Ya ho! Kakesu kedau bali! Kedau bali! Kedau bali! Kakesu kedau bali! Kedau bali! Kedau bali! Kakesu kedau bali! Kedau bali! Matu kelang! Keluar bali! Matu kelang! Keluar bali! Matu kelang! Keluar bali!
It is possible that some of the candidates are here protesting. That's what you said. Okay, but you see, that's such a thing. I think where institutional bodies as well, right? And they have made a statement. So I think if you are not happy with it, go to say a petition. This is a proposal. You mean everyone can maybe like you know there is an appointment. All that one which one needs I need it's quite peaceful. Come here. One minute and I'm just following order. I'm not empathy. So that is the first important. The people and like what happening in MCS MPS even against the ratio kay BPI kita menentukan apakah ratio apa orang space ada like 1 to 2.5 kita can change 1 to 1.5 how is that possible you cannot change the game in the middle kata dia di batai itu ini nak now one justify that we strongly feel that kadang kan nepotism and there is some high hand ini but easy kalau kita pocket but fulfill happy once kita the people in about candidates to apply to nak balong kita bagi victims of these cases